Hey, Patrick from KY Gun Co. We have something special for you today. We just had about 7 or 8 pallets of Mossberg factory Blems hit our dock. We're going to go through all these. We're going to tell you about them. We're going to tell you about the savings. But there are 3 important facts that you need to know about our Blem models or our refurb models when we come in and when we sell them to you. A, number 1, they ship for free. B, there is no credit card fee. C, there is a satisfaction guarantee. You get one of these models to your dealer, to your transferring dealer of your choice. You open it up and you see something you don't like. If you're not satisfied, call us. We'll send this back to us. We'll pay for the shipping, give you a 100% refund, no questions asked. We have about, I think, 400 or 500 factory Blems here today. We do not go through all these. We do not check them all. We do not inspect them. But occasionally, 1 out of 100, something's going to be a little bit out of whack. You might not be satisfied. If that's the case, KY Gun Co. is going to stand behind you. Like I said, we don't inspect them. We have literally just completed logging these in. As we open one of these boxes and show you, you're going to see exactly kind of what you should expect when it gets to your dealer. Again, these are salesman samples. They're blemish models. They could be demo guns. They could be show guns they've used for trade shows and that kind of stuff. It's a hodgepodge of everything. But like I said, that's why we give you the satisfaction guarantee on it. First model that we're going to pull out is going to be the Mossberg Silver Reserve. And most of these are going to be an over and under. We do have a couple of semi-automatics. You guys have probably seen the Silver Reserve before. So, Mossberg Silver Reserve, it's got, it looks like a little ding in the stock there. Nothing major. And some of these are going to have a little bit more. Some of these are going to have a little bit less. It's just kind of the nature of the Blems. Some of these have been shot. Some of these have not been shot. Normally, this model is around $583.99. They're going to be on sale for $357.34 shipped to your dealer. Other thing, these are all shotguns, so we're going to guarantee that it's going to come with the proper amount of chokes for the corresponding barrels. Meaning if it has a double barrel, it's going to have at least 2 chokes with it. If it's a single barrel shotgun, like some of the semi-autos we're going to show you here in a second, it's at least going to have 1 choke with it. All right, let's show you another model. So next model that we have, 800. All right, this is going to be the same gun, I believe, but in a 20 gauge. All right, Mossberg 20 gauge. You know, these are, if you take one of these guns out and use it several times in the field, typically you're already going to get some handling marks on it. And I can't see a whole lot on this particular gun. There you go, there's a little scratch in the stock right there. Again, this model would normally be somewhere about $583, normal retail. This is going to be $357.34. Again, this is shipped to your dealer. No credit card fees and a satisfaction guarantee. There's also a little Blem right there. You can see the bluing in the barrel. It does have 2 chokes. Like I said, we're guaranteed the appropriate amount of chokes to match the barrels that it has. All right, here is another one that let's just pull one off the top here. Semi-automatic 20 gauge. This particular model, typically around $511. It's going to be $339.71. Again, as we're pulling them out of the box, this is the first time we're checking them out too. A couple little nicks in the very bottom there, a little ding in the stock right there, minor ding. Again, if you took this thing out and hunted with it a couple of times, more than likely you're going to put 1 or 2 of those little nicks on the wood yourself. And you're saving anywhere from $150 to $200 delivered to your FFL. Again, 1 choke in the gun. All right, let's show you another model. So we pulled that model out. Let's do one of these. These have actually picked up a little bit in popularity. This is the Maverick, I believe it's going to be the HS-12, which is a home security style over and under. Again, this one comes, I believe, with an 18-inch barrel. Put it all together here for you so you can see it. Again, if I put this one on the shelf, you would not know if it's new or a Blem model, because I cannot see anything wrong with this gun. Fiber optic sight on it, has the Picatinny style rail on it, little short 18-inch barrel. We have actually picked up selling we started selling more home defense over and unders in the past year than we ever had before. I never thought it was going to be a thing, but they are. And there's also chokes in this gun too. So again, 2 barrels, 2 chokes, that's what we're guaranteeing with it. That normal model, normal $415, is going to be shipped to your dealer, $328.06. Again, we have pretty much a satisfaction guarantee. You get one of these to your FFL dealer, you don't like what you see, call us, we'll get it shipped back to you. All right, let's do one more just so you guys say you could see a good majority of them. This is, pull one here out of the middle of the stack. Again, this still has the factory tape on it, so we have not opened it, haven't looked at it. This particular model has a hard case with it. Again, some of these are going to come with hard cases, some of these are going to come with cardboard boxes. There is no rhyme or reason. Over and under Silver Reserve. I mean, this barrel is still sealed in the factory plastic. So I'm looking down the barrel. This particular one has not been shot. Super clean bore. There's the breech face on the over and under. This model has not been shot. Some have, but some of these are going to be like new, and you can actually tell the Blem on it. It looks like somebody at the factory had circled it with a little piece of chalk there, or a crayon or some degree, but little Blem in the stock, and actually it's smooth. It's just the wood has a little ugly mark on it. Again, brand new gun. Still stiff, means it's just like new. I showed you the Blem on it right there on that stock. And that is a 28 gauge, I believe. Yep, 28 gauge Silver Reserve 2. And normally, again, you're normally on the Silver Reserve 28 gauge, typically going to be $583. Again, $357.34 delivered to your FFL. We have roughly 400 to 500 of these Mossberg over and unders. We have a couple of semi-automatics, which you'll also see on the website. Again, 3 things. Remember, we ship for free. There is no credit card fee, and we have a satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like what you see when you get it to the FFL, call us, you get a 100% refund, and we pay the shipping on the way back to us. As always, we appreciate you guys tuning in, and thank you for your business.